said, oh my dear, listen here. But this is what he cried. On my feet I wear 2 shoes for dancing, dancing to be free. On my feet they're paying tribute to the Bobby Marley legacy. On my knees they got some cuts and bruises from a skating all my days. Cause when I'm skating with my friends, my troubles drift away. I say my legs, they're wearing baggy pants. I like to move around cause getting down and jumping up. These are some good things that I found. My waist, it's got a slinky belt with a clip that's quick to open. Because I love it, it's the sweetest thing, and I from my waist to happen. And my stomach's got some tasty food that's making me feel good. Cause sharing some meals is something I wish the world could do. When my chest it wears a singlet, while my chest is beating proud. On my chest suggests I am a man that no institutions can knock down. And around my neck is superstition hanging from a chain. Because I got my gods, but in the end I make my own way.